Hi, Jenny here. I've mentioned before how my friend Randy has given me some friendship tea. So it's the granules that you mix up a couple teaspoons in a cup of hot water to make yourself a cup of tea. In any case, I'm out, but I do have the recipe, so today we are going to make some friendship tea. Let's get started. For this recipe, you are going to need 1 cup of Tang, a 1/4 cup of a lemon instant tea, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of cloves, some type of container that you have that has a lid on that you can store it, and then your favorite mug to drink out of. I should grab my other lens, but I don't feel like it again. Alright, so here we go, pretty basic. I'm just going to try to mix everything even right up in there. So the Tang, it does have instructions on here, probably even what I just tore off. If you wanted to make the Tang obviously just by itself, there are instructions on here on how to do that. I also believe, if I remember correctly, this is a measuring cup in itself. There are some lines inside there that have measurements. They'll tell you what to do because obviously you could just put this in a big container and just make yourself a container of Tang. You know, in reality, I could just pour this. Huh. What am I thinking? And obviously same with the iced tea. You can also make the iced tea by yourself if you wanted to. By itself. Just have tea. I believe this is just natural flavor. You can add sugar to this also. I believe the Lipton tea is already sweetened, so you don't need anything extra. But you could also add sugar to this. Or, probably just like making regular tea, you can add sugar to your cup of tea if need be. Now we're ready to make ourselves a cup of tea. Got myself a cup of water. I'm going to heat that up in the microwave for a little bit, and then we'll add 2 teaspoons of our tea to the water. If you can see or not, it's a nice orange color. So there you have some friendship tea. Now part of it's called friendship tea so that you share it with friends. So you can make a double batch of this. It's obviously double the ingredients, and then share some with some of your friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever had friendship tea before, or what your favorite kind of tea is. I don't usually like most regular teas. I guess I like this because it's more fruity, a little bit sweet. I like the fruitier teas as opposed to like a green tea or a black tea. But cheers. Still hot. Yep, very orangey. Then you got those cinnamon cloves in there, you know, a little bit of lemon, but mostly orange. But very good. I like it. I'm going to go enjoy my tea now. You guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.